Hi, Mia. Good morning.
Oh, Leo. Hi. Good morning.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. What about you?
I am okay, but I am sleepy. I slept late last night.
Again? Leo.
Haha, I know. What time is it now?
It is 8:30. Class starts at 9.
Good. We have time. Can we sit here?
Yes, let's sit on this bench.
It is a nice morning today. Look at the sky. No clouds.
Yes, I love sunny days. It is warm but not hot.
Did you walk to school today?
Yes, I always walk. It takes 15 minutes.
I took the bus. The bus was very full today.
Oh no, was it late?
A little. 5 minutes. But it is okay.
Good. Hey Leo, can I show you something?
Yes, of course. What is it?
I have a picture. I found it this morning. I really like it.
Oh, what kind of picture?
Look, what do you think?
Oh, wow. Let me see. I see a man sitting at a table.
Yes. Where is he sitting?
He is in a cafe. It looks like a nice cafe.
I think so too. What is he doing?
He is drinking coffee. He has a cup in his hands.
Yes, and look, there is food on the table.
Oh, yes, it is a croissant. I love croissants.
Me too. They are so good in the morning.
Yes, with butter. Mmm.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I am busy. I just drink coffee.
That is not good, Leo. Breakfast is important.
I know. My mother says the same thing.
Your mother is right.
Yes, she is always right. What about you? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day. I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes fruit.
That sounds healthy. I want to eat like that.
It is easy. You can do it.
Maybe. Okay, let's look at the picture again. Do you see anything else on the table?
Yes, there's a notebook on the table.
Oh, yes. Maybe he is a student.
Or maybe he is writing something, a story or a letter.
A letter? People don't write letters now.
Some people do. I write letters to my grandmother.
Really? That is sweet.
She doesn't have a phone, so I write to her.
Does she write back?
Yes, her letters are beautiful. Her handwriting is very nice.
My handwriting is terrible.
Me too, actually. But my grandmother doesn't mind.
That is nice. Okay, look at the man's face. How does he feel?
He looks calm and maybe a little happy.
Yes, he is not on his phone. He is just sitting.
That is rare now. Most people look at their phones all the time.
I do that too. I look at my phone too much.
Me too. But in this picture, the man is just thinking, looking out the window.
The window is very big, and the light is beautiful.
Yes, the sun is coming in. Everything looks warm and golden.
I love morning light like that. It makes me feel good.
Me too. Morning is my favorite time of day.
Really? Not me. I don't like mornings. I am not a morning person.
What time do you wake up?
Usually at 8, sometimes 9. On weekends, 10.
10. That is very late.
I know, but I go to bed late too, at 1 or 2 in the morning.
That is too late, Leo. You need more sleep.
My mother says that too.
Again, your mother. She is very wise.
Yes, she is. Okay, what do you see in the background, behind the man?
I see many tables and chairs. They are brown and black.
The cafe is empty. There are no other people.
Yes, it is very quiet. Maybe it is early in the morning.
Or maybe it is a Monday. Nobody goes out on Monday morning.
That is true. Monday is hard.
Very hard. I don't like Mondays.
What is your favorite day?
Saturday. No school, no work. I can do anything I want.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I sleep late. Then I meet friends. Sometimes we play football.
Oh, you play football. Are you good?
I think I am okay. My friends say I am good, but maybe they are just kind.
That is funny. I don't play sports.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I go to the market in the morning. Then I cook lunch. In the afternoon, I read or watch films.
That sounds very relaxing.
It is. I love it. Okay, look at the cafe again. Do you see the plants?
Oh, yes, near the window. Green plants in brown pots.
I love plants in cafes. They make the place feel alive.
Yes, and the walls are white. Very simple.
Simple is beautiful. I like this style.
Me too. There is also a picture on the wall. Do you see it?
Yes, it's a small painting. It looks modern.
I don't understand modern art very much, but I like it here.
It fits the cafe. Everything is the same style.
Yes, someone thought a lot about this cafe. The design is very careful.
I agree. I want to go to a cafe like this.
Me too. Is there a cafe like this near here?
Maybe. There's a new cafe near the park. I don't know the name.
Oh, I know that cafe. I went there one time with my brother.
Really? Is it nice?
Yes, very nice. Big windows, good coffee, and the chairs are comfortable.
That sounds perfect. Can we go there?
Yes, let's go after class today.
Great idea. I want tea and something sweet.
I want coffee and a croissant, like the man in the picture.
Yes, we can sit by the window and look outside.
And not look at our phones.
Exactly. Just sit and think, like him.
That sounds really nice. I need that today.
Me too. This week is very busy for me.
Yes, me too. I have a test on Thursday.
Oh no. What subject?
Math. I don't like math.
I can help you. I am okay at math.
Really? That is great. Can we study together?
Yes, of course. Wednesday evening?
Perfect. Thank you, Mia. You are a good friend.
No problem. Okay, last question about the picture. What do you think the man is thinking about?
Good question. Maybe he is thinking about his day. What to do next.
Or maybe he is just enjoying the moment, the coffee, the light, the quiet.
I think that is it. He looks very peaceful, just present, just here.
Yes, no stress, no phone, just him and his coffee and the window.
I want to be like that. I have too much stress.
Me too. That is why this picture is so nice. It makes us feel calm.
This is a simple picture, but I really like it.
Simple pictures are sometimes the best. They tell a story without words.
Yes, a quiet, warm, beautiful story.
Well said, Leo.
Thank you. Okay, class is almost finished. Are we going to the cafe?
Yes, let's go. I need tea and cake right now.
And I need coffee and a croissant. Let's go be like the man in the picture.
Perfect. Let's go.